Sehlakalo senzakalile izolo kade kudlala i-TS Galaxy versus iMamelodi Sundowns. TS Galaxy ke ikwazile ukuyinqoba le match le. Iwine ngo-1-0. Iwine ngo-1-0 niyibonile indlela edlala ngakhona i-TS Galaxy. Yenze okuhlulwa amathimba amaningi. Yabo, yakwazi ukushaya iMamelodi Sundowns. Right now number 4 kwi-Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns number 1 with 39 points. Orlando Pirates number 2 with 2 game in hands. Many Sundowns fans were complaining ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns idlale ama-matches ayi-4 coming to this game. They played 4 matches. Badlala ama-matches ayi-4. Okusho ukuthi kahle kahle Sundowns ayitholanga isikhathi sokuthi ireste ikwazi ukudlala nale team lekuthiwa i-TS Galaxy iqinile, because Sundowns athi idlala ne-Orlando Pirates nge-weekend yasiyabuya yaresta ngo-Sunday, kwathi ngo-Monday baprepare igame bezoyidlala ngo-Tuesday ne-TS Galaxy. Basebefika kule game le i-TS Galaxy yabanikeza induku, yabanikeza oswidi. Mase sibheke ngempela bathi lana Mamelodi Sundowns Football Club played 4 matches in 10 days. How is this even possible? Mesibheka la badlala neGolden Arrows ngomhla ka-2 February bawina ngo-4-0. Badlala futhi neSuperSport United ngomhla ka-5 February bawina ngo-3-0. Mase bedlala ne-Orlando Pirates ngomhla ka-8 February bawina ngo-4-1. Izolo ke badlale ne-TS Galaxy. TS Galaxy yabashaya ngo-1-0. Yabo, asike sibheke ama-games e-TS Galaxy siyibone yona i-TS Galaxy idlala ama-matches amangaki, because this seems like ayikho unfair lento le. Yabo, ayikho unfair. Asike siwabheke ama-games e-TS Galaxy, because ama-fans e-Sundowns athi ayikho unfair. Asike siwabheke now ama-games e-TS Galaxy in the last 4 games. TS Galaxy idlale against i-Cape Town City yawina ngo-2-0. Yadlala ngomhla ka-5 yadlala against iPolokwane City yadraw ngo-0-0. Kwathi ngomhla 8 February yadlala futhi neChippa United yawina ngo-1-0. Kwathi izolo yadlala neMamelodi Sundowns yawina futhi ngo-1-0. Mase sokubheka ayafana ama-dates e-TS Galaxy neMamelodi Sundowns. Badlale ama-matches alinganayo. 2 teams adlala ama-matches alinganayo. Into engixakayo, why ama-fans e-Mamelodi Sundowns ekhala ethi ona awasitholanga isikhathi sokurest? Awabuki namanye ama-matches amanye ama-team. Uyabona i-TS Galaxy idlale the same dates as i-Mamelodi Sundowns, because yabola ngomhla 2 February yayidlala ne-Cape Town City, kuthi Sundowns ngo-2 February yayidlala ne-Golden Arrows. Kuthi ngomhla February yayidlala ne-Polokwane City yadraw ngo-0-0. Kuthi ngomhla 5 February yadlala ne-SuperSport United iMamelodi Sundowns. Mase kuthi ngomhla ka-8 February yadlala ne-Chippa United. Mhla 8 February yadlala ne-Orlando Pirates. Yabo, mase badlala izolo la bethule khona induku. Angazi noma i-excuse le noma yini, but ke induku abafethu kumele bayivumele. Yabo, ayikho umuntu ongashawa induku nje le, ayikho umuntu ongayithuli. Yabo, ayikho nje ngempela umuntu ongayithuli. So 1 TS Galaxy, not Mamelodi Sundowns. Iligi isakhona, iligi isaqhubeka.